Classic turret press bullet cedar crimper die installation. First, turn the adjustment knob out as far as it can go, and the lock ring to the top of the die. Place a sized and flared case into the shell holder and raise the ram to the top and hold it. Turn the die in until it stops. This is where the top of the case meets the crimp shoulder of the die. Holding it in this position, tighten the lock ring. Turn the adjustment knob down one full turn. Lower the ram. Place a bullet on the flared case. Repeatedly try and go into the die until the proper depth is achieved. At this point, turn the die in 1/4 turn more and turn the adjustment knob out 2 full turns. Raise the case into the die, which now crimps the case. Turn the adjustment knob down until it stops. Lower the ram.